Hello, welcome to Dress Up Tara's channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you another design for a Pocketbac holder. I got these beautiful black, white, and marble flat back that I bought from Joanne Craft Store. This company has their own website called Dress It Up. I'm not affiliated nor sponsored, but they should hit me up. Moving on, get some tweezer. Anyways, in this tutorial, you also need a white glittery Pocketbac holder from Bath&Body Work. As you can see, I lay out the flowers so it will be easier to pick them up and be ready to be glued. Going to cut the tag off. See, this Pocketbac only cost $1 because it is considered a simple look, yet I'm going to change that simple look to a stylish Pocketbac holder. You also need a Gorilla Glue to glue the flatback flower in order to put on the Pocketbac holder. Whoa, I put too much glue. I got a toothpick to get rid of the extra glue. Get the tweezer to pick up the very first flower. Make sure to press the glue to make it stick onto the Pocketbac holder. After pressing the flower, more glue will come out, and remember to wipe off the extra glue. I am almost done. I spread all the flowers apart from each other. The Pocketbac looks wonderful. I am going to glue the last flower. This glue takes a while to come out, and it is important to be patient. At last, it is finally completed. The Pocketbac looks amazing. It kind of reminds me of a 60s style. FYI, to apply a small amount of glue, because you can see it over here that the Gorilla Glue is strong, that the glue expands, but overall I loved how it turned out. Try this out with your family and friends. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.